Welcome, everybody. It is Crypto Moose, and it's time to get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. So, this episode is going to be very simple. We are going to help guide you through the process of picking up a cold wallet. So, also referred to as a hardware wallet. The reason you want one of these is because you own your private keys and your keys are held offline. So if you are using something like a Nami wallet, a MetaMask, you are going to expose your crypto to potential risk. So this is going to add another layer of protection. You physically have to interact with these devices to sign transactions, and it's one of the best ways you can hold your seed phrase. So guys, comment down below if you agree with this list. So we're going to be doing a $50, $100, and under $150. So you can pick up all these wallets under those categories, and I will have time codes in this video. So we're going to be using the link tree. I will have this pinned in the comment section as well as in the description of this video. In fact, every video on this channel has a link to the link tree. So this is going to be in the comment section. So if you guys want to pick up a hardware wallet, even if it's down the road, guys, go to the comments. I will pin it and you will make sure that you are ordering from a reputable site. So on top of that, I am an affiliate with a lot of these brands. They send me these wallets, so I do know what I'm talking about. I have been using and I've tested over 20 different hardware wallets. So I know a thing or two about these. So guys, let's dive right into it. Again, guys, subscribe. And if you want to learn more about these wallets, I've got tons of videos. I teach you how to send crypto to these devices like a Tangem Trezor Ledger, which we'll go over in this video. Okay, so starting at a under $50 budget. Guys, under $50, what is the best cold wallet slash hardware wallet? It is the Tangem Wallet. So guys, go to the link tree. Use code Moose. If you use the link tree, this code will already be embedded. Guys, you can pick up a 2-card set for under $50 at today's price. So we are Wednesday, September 24th, 2025. And specifically, if you guys are holding things like Bitcoin, Ethereum, right? Some of the GOATs, the Cardanos of the world, you want to protect your crypto in this wallet will support those tokens, okay? So this wallet is by far the best. It's a 2-card set. There are a lot of reasons why I like the Tangem wallet. Not only is it affordable, but guys, it interacts simply with your phone. Simplicity is the ultimate sophistication, right? So all you have to do is tap it to your phone to set up. And I have tutorials on this. So if you guys go to the channel, type in Tangem, just put in Tangem, it should come up. 5 reasons. I have other products, but guys, I have different setup guides. So this is the old one, but now you can set it up using a seed phrase. So I recommend watching that tutorial if I can find it. But I would recommend definitely, if you want to send or set up, these 2 videos are the GOATs. Okay, so how to send crypto to your Tangem. If you have it on a hot wallet, if you have it on a centralized exchange, get your crypto off of those in your own self-custody, right? So how to set up a Tangem wallet with seed phrase, I do a step-by-step guide, okay? So this wallet is fantastic. There's a lot of key reasons. But ultimately, guys, for 50 bucks, how can you go wrong with the Tangem wallet, okay? So EAL 6+ security. It's got one of the best chips in the world. It takes 3 minutes to set up. I think I did it in less. I love this card. It fits in your wallet. It works with both Android and iOS. Guys, if you want something that is simple, secure, and kind of sexy, very sexy, this is going to be it. So supports over 6,000 tokens. Guys, your Bitcoin, Ethereum. I don't know what else to say. And in fact, I don't know if there is another wallet that you don't have to interact with your laptop or desktop that is as good as this one. get this wallet. If you can afford it, get the Tangem. I love this wallet. Okay. Comment down below if you've been using it. Tangem Wallet, I think it's the only wallet that I would recommend under 50 bucks. If you have a little bit more money, then you can pick up the 3-card set and others that we'll talk about. So 3-card set, they even have different colors, stealth versions. Bitcoin one is on sale, 53 bucks, 3 cards. So you have backup cards, you can write down your seed. Look at this blue set. Dude, that gets the moose loose. So guys, I love that, man. Makes the moose want to party. So there we go. That is going to be the first one. Man, I love this wallet. Guys, comment down below if you have any other options, okay? So under $100, what are we going to look at under $100? There are a few options, okay? And I'm going to get into a few of them. But number one, we have to go with the Trezor Safe 3. So again, guys, use the link tree and you can perhaps save some money. These go on and off sale. What you want to look at here, if you're on a budget, right, under $100. By the way, this wallet, Trezor right now, you're going to want to interact with a laptop or desktop. You can only view your portfolio with a laptop or desktop. With mobile. You will not be able to use a Trezor with Bluetooth. Okay. So guys, this wallet under $100, this is where you'd maybe want to store some Bitcoin long term. This brand has been around for a long time. This is the Trezor Safe 3. And the Model T you should be able to find for around $100 as well. But guys, secure element. It's got a good passphrase, OLED screens, supports thousands of cryptos. If you're looking for the most support and just ultimately one of the best security chips, again, certified chip EL6 Plus, this is going to be one of the best devices. You will sleep well at night knowing that you own this wallet, knowing that your crypto is held on this device. Okay. So that's going to be option number one. I've never had issues with a Trezor. Again, guys, when you set up your wallet, and I have videos on this, and I'm going to share with you here. So here we're just going to go to Trezor. I have a Trezor Safe 5 tutorial. I'm pretty sure I have a 3, but I've done, comparisons, Tangem versus Trezor. If you guys want to really dive deep into the weeds, I have, 30-minute videos on that. Okay. So check out that Trezor Safe 5 unboxing. It's a very similar wallet. Trezor Safe 3, I did a first look video a year ago. Okay. So guys, there are tons of ways. And if you really want to keep this protected, you guys can pick up a Keep 12. Okay. So get your seed phrase onto metal. That's a fantastic option right there for you. Okay. Along with the under $100, let's toss in a Ledger Nano S Plus. So Ledger has one of the most beautiful wallets, the Ledger Flex. The only downside is you need to be able to flex to buy this. This wallet is over $300. But if you guys go to the Ledger Nano S Plus, if you want a different type of wallet, if you like Ledger versus Trezor, this is going to be a fantastic wallet. I own 2 or 3 of these. I like that you get different colors. So if you want something that's kind of USB style, this works really well. It works well with Ledger Live. I have tutorials on it. I think this device looks great. So this comes down to which brand you prefer. I would probably pick the Trezor over the Ledger because I think it's just kind of easier. You know, but at the end of the day, they're very similar. They support similar amount of cryptocurrencies, and it's just another good option. So I got to toss in the Ledger S Plus. So also with the $100, because there's so many different brands that I like, we're gonna go with the OneKey. This is one of my favorite wallets. I use this as my kind of everyday toss in a bag kind of wallet. It's fun to have. I have a little bit of Bitcoin on there. And the reason I like this wallet is because it kind of caught me off guard. So if you guys want to learn how to set this up, again, just go here, type in OneKey. So just type in OneKey Crypto Moose. So here I have a how to set up tutorial, and then also have a unboxing in 4K. So if you guys want to get a first look and also save some money, you guys can use that code, depending on if it's on sale or not. But guys, EL6 Plus security, this guy is cool. If you're more of a tech kind of guy, and on top of it, guys, I like this wallet a lot because it's slick, it's thin, and it works via Bluetooth. So this is more similar to, this is like as if Tangem and Trezor had a baby. Okay. So if you're more of a nerd, crypto nerd like me, you're probably going to like this wallet. And, again, you're going to sleep comfortable at night knowing that you have your crypto protected. So that's going to be the OneKey. Absolutely adore it. Okay. So, guys, for under $150, okay? So we have to go with none other than the Tangem Ring, okay? Guys, the Tangem Ring is fantastic. And not only does it come with the ring, but it also comes with a 2-card set. Under $150, this is by far the most elusive wallet. This wallet is so cool, so interesting. Guys, you can wear it on your hand and you take off the ring and you can tap it to sign transactions. So guys, use code Moose if you want to pick one up. This thing is fantastic. So again, you guys set up this wallet, okay, and I have tutorials on it. So here you're just going to put in Tangem Ring or just put in Ring Crypto Moose. I have a couple of videos that have done quite well. Tangem Wallet setup tutorial. So Tangem Ring setup. I have a tutorial if you want to know how to set it up. I got a step-by-step guide for you, okay? This thing is freaking cool. And I'm excited for the future because I know that they have even more in store for this wallet. Hopefully there will be different colors. We'll get into that in the future. But guys, all you have to do is take off the ring and tap it using NFC and you can get into your wallet. So you also have backup cards. And again, guys, it's all about setting up your seed phrase, backing it up. And again, guys, go to the channel, just set it up properly and you'll be good to go. Okay. So this is the Tangem wallet. Guys, it is so cool. The exact same features as the cards. So the wallets. It's awesome. It's so cool. When you're using it, you feel like you are using one of the more exclusive wallets on the market, something that has never really been done before. And it's really that cool. Mine has a little bit of scratches, but guys, this thing's been holding up. It's been absolutely holding up. And I'm just impressed. I hold some crypto on here and it feels safe. And I love this guy. The fact that it's the same thing as the wallet, but it's in the ring form. So cool. So cool. So I'm going to give one honorable mention. We're going to have to go with the Bitkey Bitcoin wallet. So I've done videos on this. If you guys want, again, go to the channel, type in Bitkey. So if you guys want more in depth, if you're not quite sure, I've compared all these wallets. So I tested 6 of the top crypto wallets. Here I have comparison videos. Here I have Bitkey wallet review. So this is kind of like the first look tutorial and everything. This video is great. That will help you decide. If it worries you and people are like, oh, why would you promote a wallet or talk about a wallet where you don't own your seed? Well, some people can't handle that, which is fine. If you want a little more self-custody, if you will, and have inheritance features, this wallet's awesome. And it works with your phone. So this is something where I could pass down Bitcoin to, my sister or somebody else in my family, my mother. They would understand how this wallet works. And the inheritance feature, there's a lot of things to be said about simplicity and ease of use. So guys, at the end of the day, it's very simple. If you want a wallet that you can put in your actual wallet with your credit cards, the Tangem Wallet. If you have a little more money, pick up the Ring. If you're using your laptop or desktop, a Trezor or a Ledger, a OneKey would be a great option for an everyday carry. And then if you want to have a little more self custody, you're afraid of an exchange going down, right? Then you can pick up something like a Bitkey. So, guys, those are the wallets. Those are the ones that I recommend in 2025. We're September 24th. The bull market is coming. So we've seen the last shakeout before the moose breakout. So, guys, with that being said, the moose is loose. We'll see you in the next one.